If you guys are looking for a home in Shelby, North Carolina, I definitely have an amazing community for you. So this is called the Willowbrook by Mungo Homes. And this builder is actually new to North Carolina. So I'm pretty excited about getting to partner with them and knowing more about their community. But they have a community out here that they specialize in ranch style floor plans, but they do have some options where you're able to add a second floor. And the starting price point is actually $305. So if this is something that you are interested in and you want to know more information, definitely stay tuned for the video. Most of what you'll see in this particular video is kind of in progress homes where you will see a lot of tape in areas that they need to correct some things. So this is a really good thing to see because you're able to see how they go through their checks and balances and how they go through and make all of their corrections. So you will see quite a bit of tape. Do not get alarmed. That is a part of the process. So definitely take a look at the video. If you're more interested in learning more, feel free to contact me at the information below. Look forward to talking to you soon. Willowbrook offers a collection of ranch-style floor plans ranging from approximately 1,500 to over 2,300 square feet with options for 3 to 4 bedrooms depending on the floor plan that you choose. The homes feature open concept layouts, very spacious kitchens, large primary suites, and modern finishes that today's buyers are actually looking for. And one thing that really stands out about this community is the lifestyle. There are planned amenities including pickleball courts, a covered pavilion, fire pit area. They have different pocket parks that will be sprinkled out throughout the community, sidewalks and street lamps designed to create more of a walkable style neighborhood where neighbors can connect and pretty much enjoy the outdoors. Location is another major advantage. You're only about 7 minutes from downtown Shelby, where you'll find local restaurants, shops, breweries, and even community events all throughout the year. So if you enjoy outdoor recreation, King Mountain State Park is only about 30 minutes away, and Charlotte is just less than an hour drive for commuters. And the reality is that Charlotte is pretty much growing. The entire Charlotte region is growing. However, people are still wanting to own homes at a more affordable option. And this particular community gives you that option. It allows you to own a home at a more affordable rate, but still have access to Charlotte and all of the amenities that they offer as well. So I'm Adria Massey, Realtor and New Construction Specialist. If you would like current pricing, available inventory, incentives, or just helping compare communities throughout Shelby and the greater Charlotte area, send me a message and I will be absolutely happy to help. I look forward to talking to all of you soon.